Apple cider vinegar. The benefits in adapting to its usage. Apple cider vinegar not only gives an exotic taste to the food, but also has lots of benefits for human health. It speeds up metabolic functioning, lowers the bad cholesterol, and can even be used as an effective solution for skin problems and hair care. Among the different usages of this nutrient, it is mostly used as a flavoring in food. The benefits would certainly occur if one opts for the usage of it, since these benefits have been proven by lots of research. As the name does suggest, this form of vinegar consists of apple as its prime ingredient, and it features a color that is a pale to medium shade of amber. The formulation contains the extract of apples that get added with yeast and bacteria for initiating the fermentation process, which eventually turns the sugar content into alcohol. As is already stated, this vinegar gives a wide variety of health benefits.
Some of these benefits of apple cider vinegar are listed below.
It is proved that it is the malfunctioning of the metabolic system that is actually responsible for obesity. The acetic acid content of the vinegar can reduce the retention of water, diminish the appetite, and step up the metabolism. Thereby it is strong support in order to clear up the concerns about obesity. Lowering the bad cholesterol. The problems related to cholesterol are one of the major health issues these days from a global perspective. This kind of vinegar reduces the levels of triglycerides and bad cholesterol and organizes lipid anabolism. Treatment of skin diseases. Along with its other benefits, this vinegar is also a very strong agent that is capable of killing bacteria and viruses, which are the main reasons that trigger skin disorders such as acne. It also can be used in the treatment of skin blemishes as an astringent. Or in addition, it is a great solution for hair problems too. People who are this vinegar consider it a magical material when it is used with beauty concerns. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar is a beneficial nutrient for human health as it is a natural antiseptic, skin conditioner, hair smoother, and metabolism speeder. And the best side of the usage of this vinegar
is that it has no side effects since it is a natural nutrient.
Therefore, as days pass, people are exploring more benefits of the usage of this vinegar, and thus there is a significant increase in the demand.